Hello, hi viewers, welcome back to our channel. Those who are preparing upcoming KSET exam, so this video is helpful. The only remaining days 70 days. So ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ KSET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 72 ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ KSET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ date is announced, October 11. So this question is 2015 KSET ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ is electrical resistivity of a metal at 300 Kelvin is 4.9 into 10 to minus 8 ohm meter. If the Lorenz number is the value is given, that find the thermal conductivity. So options are given below. So this is the question. Before solving this question, we have to know about related to this question. We have to see about theory related to this question. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವೈಡ್ಮನ್ ಫ್ರಾಂಜ್ ಲಾ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವೈಡ್ಮನ್ ಫ್ರಾಂಜ್ ಲಾ states that good electrical conductors also good thermal conductors. So Wiedemann law states that good electrical conductors also good thermal conductors, because in metals the same free electrons carry both electric current and heat. So this is the statement of Wiedemann law. So statement of the law: the ratio of thermal conductivity to the product of electrical conductivity and absolute temperature is constant for all metals. The ratio of thermal conductivity K to the product of electrical conductivity sigma and absolute temperature T is constant for all metals, that is L Lorenz number. This is the formula where K is the thermal conductivity, sigma is the electrical conductivity, T is the absolute temperature, and L is the Lorenz number. So Lorenz number, the value is 2.45 into 10 to minus 8. So this is the Lorenz number value. So if a physical meaning, if a metal is low resistivity, it has high electrical conductivities. ಅಂದ್ರೆ metal resistivity ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ರೆ conductivity ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ, high ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ. Such metals also have high thermal conductivity. If a metal is low resistivity, it has high electrical conductivity as well as high thermal conductivity. So examples: silver, copper and aluminum. These metals excellent conductors. Silver, copper, aluminum, these metals excellent conductors of both electricity and heat. Limitations: the Wiedemann law is most accurate for metals, valid especially at moderate to high temperatures, not generally applicable to semiconductors and insulators where heat is also carried by phonons. So this law is only valid for conductors, not applicable to semiconductors and insulators, only for conductors. So again we see about the question. ಇದು 2015 KSET ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನು. ಸೊ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಓದಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ resistivity ಕೇಳಿದ resistivity is resistivity of metal at 300 Kelvin. Lorenz number kuda kottidare. We have to see about find the thermal conductivity. So thermal conductivity, the formula is thermal conductivity temperature equal to L. So this is the formula. So given value is, so metal at 300 Kelvin is 4.9 so the conductivity is given and Lorentz number is also given, temperature is also given. Just these values substituted in the this formula, that is sigma T equal to N. So substitute, you have to find the thermal conductivity, that is K sigma T equal to L. ನಮಗೆ K ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. thermal conductivity equal to L T sigma. So substitute the value. K equal to Lorentz number 2.45 into the value is the Lorentz number value and temperature value substitute, and again rho. So here the formula is electrical conductivity sigma into T equal to K, that is L. You have to find the thermal conductivity L sigma T. K equal to L sigma is 1 by rho, that is LT divided by rho. Substitute all these values in this formula, we get this, and we have to simplify, we get this value and K equal to 150 value watt per meter Kelvin. So the right answer option is the right. So option A ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ answer. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.